Welcome back to Auto Vehicles channel. The first generation Nissan Altima was first introduced in 1993 and quickly became a favorite among compact sedan buyers. It replaced the Nissan Stanza and was built on the FFS platform. The car came with a 2.4L Ka24D inline-4 engine that produced around 150 horsepower and 154 lb-ft of torque, offering a solid balance between power and fuel efficiency. Available with both a 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission, the Altima was designed to be both reliable and enjoyable to drive. The exterior of the first-gen Altima was simple yet clean, with a design that was both modern for its time and practical. The rectangular headlights and subtle hood lines gave the car a timeless, understated look. Inside, the cabin was designed for comfort with cloth seating and a straightforward dashboard layout. Even the base model came with key features like dual airbags and power accessories, making it a well-rounded choice for families. While the Altima was positioned as a compact sedan, it offered a spacious interior and was often regarded as one of the more refined options in its class. The first-gen Altima came in a few trims including XE, GXE, SE, and GLE, each offering different levels of equipment. The SE trim added sportier touches like alloy wheels, while the GLE trim was more focused on luxury with features like optional leather upholstery. For many buyers, the first-generation Nissan Altima was a great value, providing dependable performance, solid build quality, and a smooth driving experience. Even though it lacked the V6 engine or coupe options of later generations, the car quickly built a reputation as a reliable and practical choice. It was a car ahead of its time in terms of design and features, and set the stage for the Altima's future success in the years that followed.